So coming to the part 1 of adding questions, first go to your Gmail, write it down as a LMS. You will get the mail which is saved on the 26th September 20. You can log in through any email which you got from the Moodle or LMS and click on the blue button. You will land it. You will get directed on the LMS SKNMC Pune. I am typing my ID which I already got. Everybody has got already this ID, and then type your password. I usually prefer to remember username, and I will save password either on my Google or either on my iPad or either on my Firefox save password, so that the next time whenever I am going to the page I don't need to remember the password and everything. So on the left side you will see that dashboard will come, and clicking on the dashboard you go downward. There the pathology lecture semester 3 is there. Once you click on that pathology theory lectures, you will come to know on the left side participants, badges, competencies, and all the topics has been there. Okay, I already wrote the all topics over there on the left side. On the right side you can see that there is introduction, pathology, and same topics has been mentioned, and subtopics and whatever the topics has been going to covered with the subtitles. So now first go to the right upper corner, turn on your editing. For demo purpose I already added the topic name GIT over here, and go to that topic. Now click on the add activity resources. You will get the new window pop up, and there you can see that quiz. Okay, so click on the quiz. Once you click on the quiz, it will direct you to the next window. So we are now going to do a general setting for our quiz. So first write your topic name over here. So topic name is MCQ on GIT. Okay, as my topic is GIT part 1. Now you can solve the all questions before lecture, and please make it a display description so that it will be seen to all students. Now coming to the timing setting, you can see over here enable first the time setting. Then you can see if my lecture is on, suppose for example on the 24th, so I am keeping the date as a 24th February. So then only on the 24th only that question will be started. I will not choose the close the quiz time, and I will click on the time for 5 minutes because we are giving them 5 questions. Okay, so 5 minutes 5 questions. Next setting is the grading. So here we should not allow them more than one attempt, so click on the only one attempt, so student can give exam only once. Now coming to the next setting is the layout setting. So layout setting means how it looks. So on one page I would like to show them 5 questions, so click on the 5 questions, so all 5 questions will be displayed on only one page. Next setting is the question behavior. Okay, so for the question behavior you can see that there is a one option shuffle question, so please off that option. That is all questions will be similar to the all students in the same sequence. Now next is the review option. So review option is very important setting. Here we have to off the two settings. First one is the spatial feedback, and second one is the overall feedback. So please off these two settings. And now we are almost ready to give them to feed the questions to the quizzes. Now after these two settings, scroll down, and now press on the save and display. So now you will see the full setting, that topic name is MCQ on GIT, solve these questions before next lecture, attempt 1 is allowed, the quiz will start on the 21st February only, and time limit is 5 minutes. So after that click on the right upper side and then click on the edit quiz. So once you click on the edit quiz option, you are ready to add the first question. So click on the add button, and now click on the new questions. Now click on the multiple choice option so that we can feed the MCQs to them, and click on the add. So we'll show you in the next video that how exactly we should add the question and the options.